Hello everyone, it's Wilson here and a warm welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a routine task that most Mercedes SLK and SLC owners perform on a yearly basis, and that's to condition the roof seals on your convertible roof. So this doesn't just apply to Mercedes. Any make or model with a convertible roof is a good idea to do this conditioning of the seals to prevent leaks. So what happens is these rubber seals, as you can see here, hardens up over time. So it's a good idea to apply these liquid conditioner to soften them up, make them more supple so they seat better to the window and the panels, etc. I've been recommended this solution, Gummi Pflege, by a lot of Mercedes owners. So I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I bought this myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prop the roof up and carry out this maintenance procedure. Before we start, I need to give her a nice wash, because currently, as you can see, she's covered in a load of pink confetti, literally everywhere. It's gone down the grill as well. All thanks to my beautiful looking tree, which I love. I won't get rid of it, but unfortunately it just dumps itself once a year all over my cars. Right, let's get to work. Right, she's nice and clean, externally that is. So the next thing is to raise the roof, clean all the rubber seals that I need to condition with some soapy water and a cloth. So let's get the roof up. So I'm going to do it the lazy man's method with the key fob and the IR sensor. So you just hold it down. For those who have this a little black IR sensor, and it can raise the roof for you from externally. Not as good as a smart top obviously, but I do have the SLC roof reprogrammed roof module, which enables me to raise the rear quarter windows. You can watch that video of mine on my channel if you're interested in that. Anyway, roof's raised. So I've got to give all this lot a clean, warm soapy water, all around here, in the boot area, the seals surrounding, well, it was under that panel, but I'll get that up later, and the seals that reside on the side panels. So obviously when I get to that point, I'm going to raise the roof up halfway and leave it halfway so I can give that a clean and condition that. Right, let's get to work. Raise the roof now halfway to clean the other rest of the seals in the boot and on the side panels. So get her up about halfway. Just bear in mind, be careful, because it will fall back down after a few minutes. So normally I leave it about there. It will fall back down, but just be quick. So I'm going to crack on now and give it a quick wipe. But I think if you start the car, it actually stays up for 8 minutes. But with the car off, a couple of minutes. So just have to be quick. So I had to start the car because it dropped down within a minute. If you start the car, like I said, it will stay up about 8 minutes. So I've cleaned all this now. You've got to make sure you clean the window seals, which can only be cleaned in this position. If you put the roof up or down, you can't get to it. So just quickly give that a wipe as well, all around the edge, and then once that's done, I think that's it. Oh no, we've got to do the boot seal as well, so I've got to do that with the roof completely down. Time for this stuff. Just one thing as well, I've been pronouncing this conditioner wrongly. I've been watching a YouTube video of a chap who's using this, and it's actually pronounced Gummi Pflege Stift. That's the correct pronunciation, not Gummi Pflege that most people pronounce in the UK. So right, let's crack on with it now. The way this applicator works, it's got a red dot in the middle. So what you're supposed to do, don't squeeze the bottle whatever you do, because apparently that might shoot off the top foam bit. You just literally put it on top of the rubber and push down slightly, because that red dot releases the liquid. So I'm going to give it a go. Try the top edge first. There you go. You can see it's wet. There you go. So, and then you just literally don't push any further. Just apply it smoothly across the rubber all the way across. So I'm going to crack on with that for this section, and then move on to the rest of the sections and the roof, etc. That's all done. I've left it for about 10-15 minutes to dry, and I think it's about time to close the roof. I'll show you. I think it's all good. Yeah, it's all dried. Look, there's no residue along here. That's been dry for about 15 minutes. Same goes for the rest of it, the rest of the seals that I've done. So I think I'm good to close up. Obviously, if it's too wet, you can sort of dab it off with some dry cloth or wet tissue, not too hard, just get rid of the residue. And then that's it. I've done all the, the rubber seals around there as well, on the door down there, basically anywhere with rubber. So jobs are good one for another 6 months to a year. And that's another DIY maintenance video complete. Please give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. In that way you don't miss out on future DIY tutorials of this nature. See you everyone. Bye bye.